Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find hair color switch filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending. You have to slide here until you find beauty. Okay, tap on beauty. Now in beauty slide up and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and blink to change your hair color. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok, and if you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover, and in discover you can search for hair color switch. So these are some video with this effect. Now let's tap on this video, and as you can see at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the effect icon. You can tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. Tap there and from there you can use this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.